All right, go.
Okay. I had a history. I have arthritis in the hip. In the process of preparing for that, all the dental work has to be done. In that, all my uppers were extracted and I had a denture. Now, I have a gag reflex and the denture didn't work out. So in the process was like I have to have an implant. So made the implant, got it put in, which is great. Subsequently, the hip surgery was done. So when I talk about the dental implant, the life that I have now, playing golf, working in the yard, being off a cane and walking, is all possible because the dental implant got me back to where I could have the opportunity for surgery and now have a life. It's been great. It's been absolutely terrific. I recommend it for anybody.
Can you tell us a little bit about the experience in the office?
Terrific. I mean, the staff has been great. Dr. Godat is wonderful. Besides being very patient-oriented and communicative, everybody is terrific. I mean, they're friendly, they're courteous, they're caring, and make you feel comfortable. And I have had dental anxiety for years, and quite frankly, I don't have an issue now. I just come. I don't need any preparation. I'm comfortable. It's terrific. It really is. This place has been amazing to me.
Anything else?
That's good.
All right.